Hi, we're here at Fox Sports Cards in beautiful downtown Marion, Illinois.
Yes.
And I'm going to open up a box of 2009 Topps Triple Threads for myself and Alex, the pack ripper.
Nice!
So, which one do you think? Which one first?
Which one do you...
This one. You're supposed to decide.
Don't ask him where to go to dinner.
What's your job over here, dude?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh.
Moral support. He's more of a steak boy.
Alright,
That is true.
let's try this out.
He's a big spice.
We have a David Ortiz to 1350. Nice looking base. Carlos Beltran to 1350. What is one? We're going to go from the back. Ryan Howard to 240. A Rogers Hornsby to 525.
Nice.
Yeah. Christy Mathewson to 1350, and then
Nice.
pretty cool. Mike Schmidt.
Yes, sir.
I don't know. Series MVP number 2 of 9. Pretty cool.
Wonder who wants that?
Yeah.
Oh man, that is a nice looking card.
Next will be the Albert autograph, right, for you, and then we'll just call it a night.
I'm okay with that.
Okay.
2 of 9.
Why
Pretty
we come
cool.
out here?
All right. Should be the auto. Have a Matt Cain to 1350. Mark Teixeira 1350. I go from the back. We have a Matt Cain to 25. Cool. Cool. Have a Thurman Munson to 525. Have a Jimmy Fox to 1350, and our autograph is
Slow.
ooh, nice.
Jimmy Fox sports
who it
cards.
Do you know who that is? He played football too.
Oh,
Yeah. Bo Jackson.
Carl Spackler.
It's close. It's
Sid
really,
Legman?
really nice looking card. Yeah, got a football and baseball. It says Bo in the middle, 13 of 18. Very nice card.
Yeah, nice.
Oh dude, nice cutouts.
Yeah, it looks really
I like
nice,
the
doesn't it?
windows.
So a solid box.
Did he play when George Brett played?
Might have. Bet he's got stories.
Nice.
Yeah, very nice. Very happy with that.